Hello friends, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. Let's continue with the grammar of the second lesson. It is the second part of the grammar and I think that we will finish it in this video. L'adjective qualificatif. L'adjective qualificatif. We are going to speak about the adjectives. As you already know, guys, I will make it a little bit bigger. This is correct. As you already know, we spoke about adjectives in previous videos and I told you that it is really important, guys. I told you that there is an accordance between the adjectives and nouns in French language. For example, you already know that in French language the nouns have some sex. We have masculine and we have feminine. Some nouns are feminine, some nouns are masculine. So when you want to use a female noun, you must put the adjective also in the female form. When you want to use a male noun, or masculine, you must put the adjective also in masculine format. So this is really important and it is called the accordance between the accordance of adjectives and nouns in French language. You must make an accordance between them. If it is female, the adjective female. If the noun is male, the adjective also the male. Like that here. He is going to tell. It is going to tell you just what I said right now. Nothing else. Un garçon intelligent. So you know un garçon, a boy. He is male. He is masculine. Intelligent, also masculine, means intelligent, clever. Il est intelligent. So this is masculin singulier. It's an adjective masculin singulier. Masculin means male, singulier singular. For example, un garçon intelligent, il est intelligent. Une fille, this is female, so intelligente. So you must put the adjective in the feminine format, feminine singulier. Une fille intelligente, but un garçon intelligent. Pronunciation. Listen to the pronunciation and pay attention to it. Intelligent for masculine, intelligente for féminin. Elle est intelligente. Des garçons intelligents. Now we have the garçon. This is a plural noun. And so you must put the adjective in plural format. How you can put the adjective? How you can make the adjective plural with putting an s, but not always putting an s at the end. But most of the time you put an s at the end of the adjectives and nouns to make them plural. But I will make an extra video related to how to making the nouns and adjectives plural in French language. Des garçons intelligents. So des garçons, it's a plural name but masculine. So the adjective also plural and masculine. Des garçons intelligents. And you know that there is no difference between the pronunciation of this adjective that is singular, intelligent, with this adjective which is plural, intelligent. So it means that this s that makes the adjective plural is not pronounced at the end. So intelligent, the same. But this o makes t is pronounced. So intelligent, in this word intelligent, t is not pronounced at the end. But when you put o for the female format, o causes t is pronounced. So intelligent, intelligente, intelligent for masculin pluriel, ils sont intelligents. But for feminine pluriel, des filles intelligentes, exactly, intelligente for feminine singulier, intelligente for feminine pluriel. So s is not pronounced also. Elles sont intelligentes. So if you pay attention to this part, you will understand that Whenever you will understand that in French language we have four forms of adjectives. When it is masculine singulier, when it is feminine singulier, when it is masculine plural, and when it is feminine plural. Intelligent, intelligente, intelligent, intelligent. So, but generally we have two pronunciation, intelligent and intelligent. When we put in written format, we put s at the end, but this s is not pronounced as I told you. Okay, si l'adjectif se termine par o, if, si means if the adjective ends in, se termine means ends in, se termine par means ends in o. It means that if you have o at the end of your adjective, il ne change pas au masculin, il ne change pas au féminin. It is not changed in feminine. For example, malade. Malade is an adjective and you have o. It has o at the end. So malade is the same for feminine and masculine form. So whenever you have an adjective that has the letter o at the end, so there is no need to change it for feminine format. So malade, il est malade, elle est malade, as you see. Quelques adjectifs irréguliers. Some irregular adjectives, for example, il est beau, he is beautiful, elle est belle, she is beautiful, beau, belle. Ils sont beaux, avec an X à la fin, that I will make another video related to this, how to make the adjectives and nouns plural, I told you. Il est beau, he is beautiful, elle est belle, she is beautiful, ils sont beaux, they are beautiful, elles sont belles, they are beautiful. Il est nouveau, he is new, elle est nouvelle, nouvelle, she is new. Ils sont nouveaux, they are new, elles sont nouvelles, they are new. Il est vieux, he is old, elle est vieille, she is old, ils sont vieux. You know that in plural format there is nothing changed, because the adjective, I will tell you here, I will tell you later. When we have an adjective, or when we have any words, adjectives or nouns that ends in x, there is the plural is the same. So vieux has an x at the end, so the plural format also the same. Ils sont vieux, elles sont vieilles, they are old. Place de l'adjectif. Place de l'adjectif, the place of adjective. As you already know, in English language we put the adjective before the nouns, but in French language now we see what's happening. En général, generally, après le nom. So generally we put the adjectives after the name. Après le nom. After the nouns. Une voiture, par exemple, une voiture confortable. In English language we say a comfortable car, but here we say une voiture confortable. So we put the adjective after the noun. Un film extraordinaire, an extraordinary movie or an extraordinary film. Toujours après le nom pour la nationalité et la couleur. Always after the noun for nationality and color, couleur. So whenever you want to use the nationalité et la couleur, nationality and color, you must put your adjective after the noun. For example, un auteur allemand. Don't make you confused, guys. Always you put the adjective after the name, only in this case that this is the third one that I will tell you. An auteur means author. An auteur allemand, a German author. An stylo bleu, a blue pen. Souvent avant le nom pour, often avant le nom, before the name, before the noun, pour. So Guys, I told you, don't make you confused. Put the adjective after the noun only in this case, in this case of these adjectives. Bon, mauvais, petit, grand, beau, nouveau, jaune, vieux. You must memorize them. Put the adjective before the noun. Bon, I will write for you with because I want you to know about the feminine format. Bon, bon, bonne, mauvais, mauvaise for feminine. Grand, grande for feminine. Petit, petite. Nouveau, nouveau, nouvelle for feminine. Nouvelle. What we have here: bon, bon, mauvais, mauvaise, petit, petite, grand, grande, beau, belle. Beau, belle. Nouveau, nouvelle, I told you. Jaune. Is there anything for any format for female? No, because the adjective ends in O. So the format for masculine and feminine is the same. And VO, VA. VO, VO, and VA. So there are some adjectives that you must put in your mind. There are some little adjectives. There are some other adjectives that I will tell you in the course of learning. By passing the time, you will learn what kind of adjectives. They are not numbered, guys. There are a few adjectives that you must put them before the nouns, but generally for the other adjectives except them, you must put the adjective shortly after the noun. For example, une belle femme. Don't say une femme belle. It's not correct. Une belle femme, because belle is in this list. Un bon gâteau. Femme means a woman. Une belle femme means a beautiful woman. Un bon gâteau. Gâteau means a cake, a good cake. Une mauvaise idée. A bad idea. Have a good time. Bye.